Your 2016 Scion IA key fob uses a CR2032 battery to unlock doors, start the car if equipped with push-button start, and activate the alarm. When the battery dies, these functions stop working. Replacing it yourself is easy. Saves money compared to dealership costs of $50 to $100 and only takes 5 to 10 minutes. The 2016 Scion IA key fob requires a specific battery, the 3-volt CR2032 coin cell. This lithium battery powers the fob's functions like unlocking doors and activating the alarm. The CR2032 is widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. It's inexpensive and commonly used in various devices. Always double-check your key fob for markings to confirm it's CR2032. However, for the 2016 Scion IA, CR2032 is the standard battery. Avoid using similar batteries like CR2025. While they look alike, the CR2025 has different dimensions and voltage characteristics that can cause issues with your key fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. A small Phillips head screwdriver might be needed if there's a retaining screw. Before you begin, ground yourself by touching a metal surface to prevent static electricity from damaging the fob's electronics. Work in a well-lit area. Locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently twist to pry the fob open. Some models may have a small screw holding the two halves together. Remove this screw first. Take your time to avoid cracking the plastic housing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the polarity. The positive side is usually marked with a plus sign. Gently pry the old battery out using a small tool. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Ensure the battery is securely seated in place. To reassemble, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they align properly. If there was a screw, reinsert it and tighten gently without over-tightening to avoid damaging the housing. Now test the key fob by pressing the buttons to unlock your car doors from about 5 to 10 feet away. The red indicator light should illuminate. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure it's seated properly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may need to be reprogrammed. This is rare, but if it occurs, consult your Scion IAA owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a Toyota dealership. Ensure high-quality batteries are used to avoid corrosion. Cheaper batteries have been known to cause intermittent failure. Proper disposal of the old CR2032 battery is essential. Many stores offer battery recycling programs to prevent environmental harm. Never throw it in the regular trash. Key fob technology is evolving with trends toward rechargeable batteries and smartphone integration. Some aftermarket rechargeable CR2032 kits are available, but check compatibility first. As technology advances, battery-free options using NFC or Bluetooth are emerging. However, the 2016 Scion IA still relies on the standard CR2032 battery.